Hello and welcome to the video. This is a slightly different video from the ones you'll tend to find on the channel. This time it's about replacing the battery in this key fob. This is my Mazda key fob and it started to do that thing where on the dash it says that the key fob battery is low. The little light still comes on, but it needs swapping. So first thing we need to do, take up the keychain, just pull this little tab down and the key itself will come out. Put that safe to one side, and now we need to crack open the case. There are these little kind of gaps in between the two sides. You can use a knife, a thin bladed screwdriver. I'm going to grab something from a phone repair kit, which is this kind of spudger, which is just going to run down here. And as I run it down, it'll pop open the catches on one side. Once one side is done, you'll see that it'll separate. Inside will probably be a bit dusty, but we have this dust cover which is over the battery. It tells you what kind of battery it is. If you pull that out, you can see the battery itself. And this one is a CR2025 3-volt battery. That's what you're going to need. Get them from loads of places, Amazon, eBay, wherever. This is a spare one that I've got here. So first and foremost, take it out the packet. Try not to touch it too much and cover it in oil. Pop this one out. Remember not to mix them up so you don't put the old one back in. Just drop it in. Put the seal over the top just to stop moisture and dirt getting in where the battery is, and then to finish it off, just grab the top, line it up, put one side over the tabs and firmly press on the other side, and you'll hear it click into place. And there we have it. If we test it, make sure we have a light. Might take a couple of presses for it to charge. There we go, it is ready. Last thing to do then is slide your key back in, make sure it's the right way up. It'll click into place and you have now replaced your battery. It's that easy. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Painless 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.